Hi guys, welcome back to MJ Performance. So we're up at Clumpton Services again, so it means another road trip, doesn't it, Martin?
It does, but bright and early, look. Nice, quite warm actually, isn't it?
It's not bad, yeah, it's not bad.
So you got your t-shirt on, isn't it?
I have, yes.
To
yeah, well, I'm
the,
keeping it on from it. Yeah.
But yeah, that's it, guys. Like Tim said, we're on our way up to Pro Alloy. What was that, about 2 months ago, Tim, was it, when we were up here? Oh, you didn't go, it was...
I didn't go, no.
It was Mr. Harrison there,
you and Pete that came up. If you've seen our Instagram stories, guys, we've shown you a little bit about the stuff they've been doing to our MSRT van. So, yeah, we're going up now to see what they've done and collect the vehicle, aren't we?
Yeah, we've obviously been kept updated throughout the process with regards to development, what they're doing, and yeah, superb. So we'll share more when we get there with you. We'll have a little look around the facility. Yeah. Because me and Pete last time, so you know, now you're here, Timmy. But this is it's a first, you know, for what we're doing on the WRC Transit, and yeah, we're going to go in and grab a bite to eat now. Yeah, well, the most important thing, guys, we've got to get something to eat, so we're going to do that. Got to get a strong coffee, yeah. Yeah, definitely. We're going to do that. And no Sanders today. No Sanders. No Sanders. No, because.
Well, he's down
reason for that, isn't there?
Well, our show at the weekend down at Spitfire Raceway. So he's been
organising that, hasn't he?
Been working very hard this week getting that all set up, and many thanks to him on that. We'll show you guys what we're up to today, and we'll make a video and bring you along. So cheers. Hi guys, so here we are. We made it to Pro Alloy. Very long journey from Plymouth. We were up early, but here we are, guys. Come here today, obviously, to see the progress on what's been done to the MSRT van. So we'll go in with more detail in a moment with you, but yeah, the guys here at Pro Alloy, they've done some bespoke intake and cooling options for the van. Looks really good. We'll show you all the fire up and how it sounds and how it looks in a moment, but yeah, what a great facility, guys. We'll take you in and see what we can see in there. We're just having a look at the van here outside Pro Alloy, and we'll go into more detail in a moment, the upgrades that have been done by the guys here, but look at this. Look at all the cobwebs. So this van's definitely going to need detail when we get it back, but we're not going to worry about that now. guys, as you've just seen inside Pro Alloy, they let us in, showed us around. As you can see, really great setup, but most importantly, we've got our van back. We've shown you a few clips of the intake noise and everything like that, guys, but look at this.
Inside Pro Alloy, if you don't, we are.
Yeah, just to prove it, we haven't photoshopped it. We are at Pro Alloy.
5 hours from Plymouth.
Yes.
Nice.
Well,
Right.
yeah, we know that. But yeah, guys, so as you can see,
So where do you want to start? Here?
bespoke intake.
It is. So before we had the it was something that we used from Steinbauer, because I'm a Steinbauer dealer. Okay, as you can see, that's the Steinbauer box there.
Yeah.
All right. Now it's got MSRT on the top, but that's because it came with that on it. I'm a Steinbauer dealer now. Ours comes with our own brand on the top, so it's the same thing. That's right. So as you can see, look, Mr. Harrison there, that's got the old before, as you can see, and after. All right.
Yeah. So before and
So
after,
we take
guys.
out of the equation the filter being sat on the top in a cylindrical-ish, like enclosed, and now a bit like a Mark II Focus RS style, isn't it? Mark III Focus RS style even. All right. So runs straight from the turbo around the crossover. Very important to keep that diameter as it is because of the mass airflow. All right. If you start increasing that size all the way around, you end up interfering with the flow rate. Okay. So that has to stay the same, or you have all sorts of problems. Right, so very neatly done. So that's tucked in out of the way, mass airflow position. Okay, the vac pipe on the top, and then we run down here. This is the first one that's been done on, obviously, on our demo development van. So all the silicone hoses are just in black. All right. Now you can have lots of choices on this. So with regards to the crossover pipe, this is a full intake. All right. So with regards to the crossover pipe, that's going to be, you can have it in satin black, you can have it in satin silver. Okay, which is like the natural sort of like finish in it. So, and then we end up with an ITG filter of the correct size. Now, the Pro Alloy team up here, when they've developed this, they've tried lots of different size open filters, and they found that that was the best sort of size to use. All right, not only for installation side of it, where it clears, you got room, right? You don't want to start touching and banging around on stuff. All right, so it's nice and neat. And yeah, so that's the top half done, and then as you can see, you have to use some of the existing plastic pipe, because there's no real need to, you know, from the throttle body, there's no real need to be changing that. That's, you know, at the end of the day, it's a, you know, it's a transit diesel, isn't it? So, but you can just see down there, Timmy, it's difficult to see with regards to you know, the pipe work side of it, but we'll see more once we you know, once we get back to the workshop, and then we can put it up in the air and we can check everything out as we're there with the underside, and give you more of that. So if we come down and look at the front of the but the silicone hoses will be available in a variety of colours, which that'll all be put on the, you know, on the social media, etc., and let you know what you can get. All right. So
so
the intercooler side
at the
of
front of it, guys.
Yeah.
As you can see, massive new intercooler.
Yeah. And far superior volumetric. I said that slowly in case I didn't get it wrong. Yeah.
Volumetric.
Capacity.
Yes.
Yeah.
Volumetric capacity.
Right, so that's the best flowing intercooler that you're gonna get.
You can just see that, guys. They've done a MJP stencil on there as well.
This here is just obviously Mr. Sticker. It's hollow behind there, so obviously the stone chips have got to that, so that's gonna have to be redone.
Yeah, we won't worry about that
we
now,
won't worry
guys.
about that for a minute. And we've got a nice little wee stain there. Look, I don't know what's happened there. All right.
Might be your German short-head pointer again. They've done it to the RS,
It could be.
possibly.
That's been left there. It's been there for 2 months then.
Yes.
Yeah, because the van's been here about 2 months.
Well, we've seen the spiders that are now living on the wing mirror as well.
We
So.
have, haven't we? So yeah. So we've got the as Tim said, the stencil has to be there. Not there. You would sort of like see it there, but you wouldn't really see it enough through it. So it's a bit busy that area, isn't it? So having it there is a bit different than having it on the core. Yeah. So we've yet to test it, but we've got a 5-hour drive back, so I'll certainly give you a chance to test it.
Yeah, big shout out to Pro Alloy. Great partner of ours, performance partner, and made us feel very welcome, showed us around, gave us some nice teas and coffees. So yeah, can't thank them enough. Thank you for letting us come down.
That's it. So we'll share a bit more with you guys when we get back. So catch up soon.
Yep. Yeah, well, we're just about to leave, guys, and Martin's got to remember how to drive the van.
I have.
Yeah.
It's been so long.
It's been.
Back to basics to me, innit?
Yeah, there's no quick release steering wheel there, Martin.
There's no quick release, mate. No.
No.
That's the problem. See, when you don't drive something for a certain period of time, you gotta relearn.
Absolutely.
Somebody's been in this seat.
Someone's been in the seat. They got
some little shorty.
yeah.
That's been in it.
So that's got to be moved. So he's got a lot of things to deal with, Martin. So I'm gonna have to just let him get on with it, I think, because could be here for a little while.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
he's gonna do his best, guys. But yeah, we're gonna head out on the road in a minute. You would have seen the videos, obviously, of the intake. It sounds fantastic, and obviously we'll be able to test this van out properly because, as Martin said, it needs a good run out, just to literally blow the cobwebs away. As you've seen on the video, there's a couple of cobwebs on the wing mirrors, so we're gonna literally blow the cobwebs away on the motorway down back to Plymouth. But
Absolutely.
yeah, should be good, guys, and we'll catch up with you very, very shortly.
Okay, guys, if you like what you see, you know what to do. You like, comment, subscribe. What else are they got to do, Mark?
Ding ding! Hit the bell button.
Cheers, guys. Thanks, guys.
I turned off the lights, I got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired.